The prototype, Nimrod, is in this week's portion. Who is Nimrod? Tzayid Bifiv. He has a misinformation in his mouth. In other words, he knows how to trick people very well. He also knows how to hunt very well. So if we look in the Midrashim, in the commentaries, we see that there are 4 Pesukim, 4 lines about Nimrod. That's a very interesting point. Why are there 4 lines about Nimrod? Why is he so important? Because God is teaching us a lesson. The prototype of Nimrod, who went out to trick everyone. He went out to have power over the earth. He was the first king. He also was the first one to start the wars. He's also the first one to deny God. Now, this prototype is everywhere in history, going back to the Pharaoh, then to the Romans, to the Nebuchadnezzar, the Babylonians, then all the way down to Napoleon, down to Hitler, and now, of course, to Hamas and Hezbollah, backed by Iran. The Ayatollah Khomeini is exactly that prototype. He's looking for power, just like all the rest of them. So why is God putting the story in this week's Parsha? We understand that, yes, there are all these types of people. But what happens at the end of the Parsha? We see Avraham shows up. Avraham is the prototype of the guy who doesn't care what Nimrod says. Whether Nimrod says something nice to him, or Nimrod is mean to him, or throws him into the Kifshan Ha'esh, which is a fiery furnace, and Avraham always comes out victorious. This is teaching us a lesson that we can go above all of these people in history. They'll try to kill us, they'll try to hurt us, but God is protecting. Did you see what Iran tried to do on the beginning of October? They tried to kill all the people in Israel with so many Scuds, missiles, and all kinds of ammunition. And guess what? We're still victorious because God made us a miracle. That was the day that God took this fiery furnace and made it into paradise, and no one got hurt. That is what this week's Parsha is teaching us about this Nimrod. And guess what, guys? This will be the end because Avraham is coming very soon. The Avraham of our generation, the Mashiach, will take us all out of Galus, and we will see the final redemption. Thank you for listening, and have a wonderful day.